Spaghetti noodles. Christmas. Oh no.
Tell me you gotta open some Christmas presents.
You know. Oh, it was it.
Come here, Ellie.
That was funny. What?
Come open this one.
I ate one candy.
This one you get to throw the tissue paper up in the air.
Oh! Oh!
Thank you. Watch it, wise guy.
What's in there? See what came out? What are those?
Boundaries.
Slippers. You want to wear them?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else did you get?
Do you see these, Ella?
What is that?
A unicorn pickle pet.
Is that what you wanted?
Mm-hmm.
Look what else you got over there.
This one is a unicorn holding a blanket for you.
That's got a blanket.
Look at me, Ella.